What's going on, guys? Welcome to my new Airsoft video, and today we are at the Billericay Skirmish.
Got door.
And our first game is domination, protecting the caravan from the enemy team, and the second game is another game of domination, but on a larger scale, so the map was a lot bigger. I do get shot later in this video, but it was through a barrel, and you weren't allowed to shoot through the barrel over the top, so it doesn't count as a hit. But later on I do get shot, and it was a fair hit as the guy did come rushing in and almost wiped all of us out. Anyway guys, I hope you do enjoy this video, and I'll see you later.
What, you killed two of them?
No, it's because I'm at this door, fuck it.
I was going to say.
Level.
Oh, hit.
Yeah, they shoot through the barrel, though. Go through there. They shoot over the top.
Yep.
They shoot through the gaps.
Yeah, you're allowed to do that.
Yep.
None of them are inside it. Don't mind, yeah? Oh, boys, I need that door covered, yeah. I've got it. Where? What time you do that door?
What door?
Yeah.
Alright. What do I do? What? That was a headshot, wasn't it? Yeah.
Well,
What are you seeing? Do you see it right in front of us? 10 o'clock. Look, he's hiding in the trees. I think they've got a sniper for you, but anything else.
I can't breathe. Hit Dad. Can you cover me, Rhian?
Careful.
Yes, I mate.
Watch that CCTV.
No, they can't come from there.
They can't go through there.
No.
No, to get from through ahead everything, so I got flat. You get hit? I got to know earlier, I got flat and
Rhian, look through here, mate.
and I had no idea where they're going.
Can't see anything through there.
No one's allowed.
I see them.
Where?
Right on the right, you can see their heads.
Yeah.
Come round, lads. Come on, come be left, mate. I see one. Ron, you hit? Yeah. Come in. Ron, ask the guy up there. Straight ahead. Ruben, I got cover fire, mate. Go. Huh? What? Are they? Oh, up on the top. Can't shoot over there, mate. They can't shoot over. Oi, move in! Yeah? Come this way, come. Fuck. Oi, Tony! All left, mate, all left. Watch out, watch out. All on the left, all of them. Let's come right there. Get in cover, mate. Get in cover, you're gonna get shot. I'm gonna sneak up and then can you just watch my fire, mate? Oh, we're getting shot. Wait. I don't know. I think just got a bit up there. Don't go like too much up there. Just got a bit.